guys, my name is Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please do like, comment and subscribe, share the channel, watch the ads, drop a super thanks. I'd really appreciate it. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the episode. It is a Monday morning and I just wanted to open up the vlog so that we can start our weekly vlog. I'm trying to get to the office a bit earlier than normal today, but that was gonna happen. But I was quick with my outfit. It's spring day, and hopefully I'll get to wear this top today and not feel like changing it, even though I've had the thought at least twice this morning. But let's start off with the day. I'll take you guys through. Me and my people be rolling. Guys, we're finally wearing the top. I'm carrying this bag, even though it doesn't match. I just wanted a bigger bag as a handbag so I can fit everything. I'm not wearing heels. I'm exhausted. I was just thinking right now that I want to come back and sleep, and our good old hairstyle holding us down for another week. But yeah, let me go and then start off my day. Still a little bit chilly, even though we are very much in spring, well, calendar wise but not black calendar wise. Oh, I left a little late considering the amount of traffic that we'd have today, but it's all good. Let me drive and get to work. And yeah, hopefully have a good day today. I'm really tired. I'm extremely exhausted. I'm tired. I'm from Kambamanga. I'm from Ngash. Really want to sleep early today. But yeah, let's have a great one. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's a Tuesday afternoon. Or evening, close to evening. I'm going out to run. My shoes, they've turned brown. I need to wash them. But yeah, I am going out to run. They've extended the time a little bit. We used to start at 5:15. Now we're going to start at 5:30 because at least the sun is setting a bit later on. But yeah, let me go. I just couldn't record today because I'm busy, guys. Like, they talk about silly season. In terms of like commercial, what is it? Consumerism, with shops and everything. But it's also silly season at a work context. But all is well. I was hoping I was gonna get to the shopping center early and buy food. I'll just see what I'm able to do. So yeah, let me go, and just happy that now I can run without wearing long sleeves and all of that, because it contributes to, like, I just overheat and just makes things worse. So yeah, let me go and we'll catch up a bit later. Me and my people be rolling. Hey guys, good morning. Yo, my phone. I'm just finishing up my makeup so I can go to work. Today we're recording our Heritage Day video, so we must have something traditional. I'm wearing this, I don't know what to call it. Kimono? I don't know. So I'm wearing this just for a representation. For Heritage Day. My knee is still so painful, and it's my knee, it's just my entire leg, but I am gonna wear heels because I can walk on it, but I just can't lift my legs. So I don't know what I'm gonna do when I have to climb on stairs or walk upstairs. But Sinji, I'm gonna have to take a break. I wanted to do Pilates today, but I'll see. because it will help with stretching, but it's painful. It's actually quite painful. So yeah, I'll take you guys through today. And guys, I'm just extremely tired. I'm extremely tired. Me pack up. I am quite early. We are recording early. But anywho, yeah, let me get going. This is the look. I really wish I had a long sleeve black top, like a tight top, but this will just have to work. It looks like I got this from like a China mall Etegrini years ago, like a China shop. Yeah, so it still works, still does the trick. Yeah, let me go. So guys, let me tell you why my legs in pain. So after running, I got there late. Oof. So I didn't have time to stretch. So I can't lift my leg. Like I literally cannot walk. So that's why I'm feeling like this. But yeah, I'm gonna try and put as less strain on my leg as possible, try to walk less. Yeah, I don't think Pilates is gonna happen today. It's like at the top, painful, but let me go. I'm on time. Like this is happening all the time now. I'm early and then suddenly Siyalekhoda. This is for my vlog. Siyalekhoda. The production, I'm trying to bring a video for a DI initiative. Yes, this is for my YouTube. It's for my YouTube. Yes, on the channel. Please don't subscribe. Yonke into ithuba le content bakithi. Me and my people be rolling. Hello, Janice. How are you? I'm good. Long time no see. Thank you. Hey guys, happy Thursday. It's been such a long day and a long week. I'm done for the week. Honestly, my spirit is done for the week. But yeah, I'm still at work. But it is September, and you know your girl is born in September, and all of those wonderful things. So I'm starting to receive birthday gifts, and this one is from my mom. A delivery from my mom. Let's open it together. I know what it is, but guys, sis Gadile with birthday gifts, so please keep them coming. Month of September, let's keep it coming. Yeah, let's keep it flowing. So mom did get me a cute dress. There's quite a few things that we have throughout September. A lot of meetups, a lot of birthdays, kuningi. But yeah, dress. A long one as well. Okay. Bareback because we're bareback babes. We're bareback babes. So it is a bareback. Hope you guys can see that. Very, very cute. I actually think I'm gonna enjoy wearing this one. So it's quite similar to the dress I'm wearing now, in terms of the cut. But this is gonna be very cute. So I think I already know I'm gonna wear it. I already know. Thank you, Mom. So like we said, let's get the gifts rolling. It is September, so throughout September I'm ready to receive. When I just really addressing Gatumela Utumele gifts. I'm going out a bit later for afternoon drinks, so I'm just gonna try and finish up a little bit of work and eat some food. Haven't been eating, but this weekend I'm staying inside and I really need to clean. I want to spring clean. I've been very lazy for the longest time, so hopefully I can also get to wash my kitty, yeah, and just have a fresh start to the week next week. So looking forward to it. So let's catch up a bit later. My baby, don't mess around because I keep leaving that thing to wipe my glasses. I actually don't know which bag it's in. But Sinjay taking Linda something so are we good to now play Ilokuzan? Amalanga wa fan. Is he making money? Because Pori. I am going now. Still on time. I'm really trying not to be late because that is really not on brand for me. It's not on brand to be late. But lately, I have been dancing with lateness. So, let me go and we'll take some footage when we are there. My baby don't mess around because he loves me so, and this I know for sure. Hey guys, happy Friday. So I'm on my way to our our monthly catch-up session with my friends. So I'm gonna pack up my stuff. Like basically we work from wherever we are, working from outside the house, which is really good. It's good to get some sun now and just to be outside. But because I want to wear these big earrings, but this earlobe, like the hole is painful. It is so painful. I don't know what to do because I really want to wear these earrings, but I don't know. Let me see, but I'll probably just have to change them. But yeah, let me pack my bag and be out so that I can be back on time also. So I'm bringing back my thick sandals because summer is here. I'm excited. Can you guys tell I'm excited for the summer? So this is what I'm wearing today. Very chilled, very easy going. I really think I'm gonna change my earrings. I can't bear it. It's fine. Let me change my earrings and then I will head on out. I really wanna, can't stand to see me going out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how. All you gotta do is say it. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, baby. Open up your mind and rest. I'm about to let you know you made me so. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm just extremely tired. I just need to shower, and rest. Tomorrow I want to just really clean, even like clean my curtains, that level. So I got myself a pasta and to drink. But yeah, I'm going to like rest. It's been a long week, really been a long week, but I always enjoy my time with my friend, so I'm revitalized and back. Let's start again. So always happy to have these moments. So yeah, let me just rest, guys. I have nothing to give, zero to give right now, so I will see you guys tomorrow. My baby don't mess around because he loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does he really wanna? I can't stand to see me going out the door. Don't try to fight. Hey guys, so welcome to a new day. I've started my spring cleaning and yeah, it feels great. I'm just waiting for my curtains to dry and we'll put those up. I just wanted to make some food and then I'll just finish off with the cleaning afterwards. But yeah, I've already broken a lamp. Should be there. Ugh. But anywho, I just added some berries and got some bacon. So I want to make some pancakes. So let's get that started and get my energy up as well. I can rest for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm really glad I decided to do this. It's just been, I've been in a funk for the longest time. I really do think that part of it is I just haven't been feeling like my space is clean. So that's what I want to do. Really been tired and from the other weeks, and I was just using last week or this week to really rest. I'll just show you guys the food after I've made it. Like I have no energy, zero energy. So yeah, let me just finish cleaning and then we'll show you my magic. The feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how. All you gotta do is say, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, baby. Open up your mind and rest. I'm about to let you know you made me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, baby. Open up your mind and rest. I'm about to let you know you made. Hey guys, it's evening and I'm gonna close out the vlog. I just wanted to moisturize my edges. I think for the past 3 weeks I've done good with making sure that I take care of my edges, but as you guys saw, I have curled my wig, so I'll be back to wearing my wig, but I'll just make sure that I take a little bit of care how I lay it. And also now, because it's hot, I can't, or I really don't prefer using Ghost Bond because it lifts in heat and it's getting quite hot these days. So I'm gonna be back to got to be glued. Yeah, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog and please do come back for more. Like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Spatle has a channel. I'm just going to eat some food, watch a movie or two, and yeah, take it in. And I hope South Africa won. I just have to check. I wasn't watching, so I really hope South Africa won with the rugby. Yeah, so let's see each other in the next video.